Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create complete wildlife AI video. Alright, I'm going to be using free AI tools for this tutorial.
Deep inside the Amazon, two giants collide. Raw strength meets crushing power in the jungle canopy. In the silent swamp, danger hides beneath the water. Even America's eagle must battle carefully.
So the first thing we want to do is to go over to our ChatGPT. And I already have our prompts. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. So let me read it out so I can understand what we did here. So this is the prompt that I just typed out. So I didn't want it to stay too long, so I have to type everything out first. I said, give me a prompt for a wildlife eagle in battle with a snake. Give me 4 different prompts with different types of eagle versus snake in each scene. So I want you to give me the image prompt, animation prompt, the image prompt, comma, animation prompt, and the voiceover. Each scene should be 8 seconds long. So what I'm trying to say is that each of these scenes is going to be 8 seconds, and they are going to be different scenes. That means it's not going to be a consistent image. That I'm not going to be using same eagle. It's going to be different eagle attacking different snakes. Okay. Now I forgot to add the dimension. I'm going to go ahead and just add dimension. Say the dimension should be. Now this is going to be a portrait, which is 9:16, which is our TikTok version. Okay. 16 by 9, that's our normal YouTube version. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit the prompt and submit. Alright, so here's what we have. It says cinematic wildlife series, eagle versus snake, as you can see. So this is the style that we're going to use now. It gave us exactly. Now we have scene 1, which is the golden eagle versus the rattlesnake. Okay, we didn't indicate. We say you use different kind of eagle and also use different kind of snake for each of the scene. I'm going to show you what you did here. So ChatGPT actually did everything now. This is the 8 seconds animation. This is how we are going to animate our image. The first one is the image prompt. So this is the voiceover that we have. So these are the 3 things that I asked ChatGPT to do for me. First of all, give me image, give me the animation prompt that I'm going to use to animate the image, and then you give me the voiceover. Right. So this voiceover, we're going to be using a separate AI tools to do that, also free. Okay, you can see this is the, and I asked for 4 scenes. So I want to be sure that the scenes are complete. Now, before you start prompting your video, you must make sure you cross-check the write-up from ChatGPT to make sure that it is correct. These are the reasons why you create video and then it did not, deliver what you want the video to be saying, because there are some errors from ChatGPT that you didn't pay attention to. So I'm going to go over to our Flow AI. So go to Google and just type Google Flow. So this is the first you are going to see. You click on it as Google Flow. We are going to be using to create our image. I'm also going to be using to animate our image. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up. It's very easy. It's owned by Google also. Just one click and then you're already signed up. So I'm just going to go ahead and just set up my account. You can see. So I've already done something here before. Okay. So once you sign up, this is what you are going to see. Now this is currently on video, but we want to create image first. We're going to convert that to be image. I want to go. This is currently Nano Banana 2 Lite. Okay, I'm going to take it to Pro so that it can give us a better high quality image. You can see now Google Flow actually has free version, so we are using the free version of it. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to go ahead and go back to our ChatGPT. Now the first image prompt I give to her, this is the image prompt from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this image prompt. So I'll go back to my Flow and I'll paste it here. So I'll make sure that everything is intact. Then I'm going to send. So Flow is going to go ahead and generate the image according to the way we program it on ChatGPT. All right. So the image has already been. You can see this is a landscape, a portrait image. Our TikTok, Facebook version. So click on download and just download the 1K, which is the. So you can make sure that you check that what you downloaded is actually downloaded, because we are going to be using this. We're going to be animating this video, this image we are creating now. So we're going to scene 2 and create, copy it, go back to my Flow. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit, and just wait out for the Flow to create the image. Now you're going to see that the image created is different because we told ChatGPT to give us a different scene, So I'm going to go ahead and download it. So all the eagles we have They are all different. So I'm going to make sure that has been downloaded. I go back to my ChatGPT. So for the now, I'm only generating the images. I'll just go to abandon and leave every other thing first until I'm done with this. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it. It's actually very easy. Just follow me step by step. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. That's our third image. We already have about 4 images to go. So it's many. I'm going to go ahead and just download that. Then I'll go back to my ChatGPT. This is my image 4. And this is the last image we have on our list. So I'll go back there and just paste it. Then I'm going to send. So on this last image, I think we were having issues. Say field, this generation might violate our policies. Please try a different prompt. All right, you can see Google Flow is very, very strict. All right, so we're going to go ahead. Now, this is the last scene, which is the scene 4. So Google did not accept it. All right, so this is what we do. I say, can you recreate scene 4 for me? Google Flow said it violates their community guidelines. So give me an acceptable prompt for this scene 4. Now we just ask ChatGPT to recreate scene 4 for us to what Google Flow is going to, be able to accept. Now we're going to hit on send and wait for ChatGPT to create something better for us that this time around Google Flow will not be able to reject it. Just in case you have been facing things like this. So this is how you go about it. You can actually always tell ChatGPT what to do to recreate the image for you, if that is the only option that you have. So that's what we are going to do here. So I want to copy it. It has already created everything for me. So here I'm going to come here and paste it here and send. Now, hopefully, we are going to see if Google Flow is going to accept this one this time around. All right. I'm very sure ChatGPT know what they're doing. Okay, as you can see now, you can see that it has been generated. So I'm going to go ahead and download the image. Now that we are done downloading all the image, you make sure the image are attached because we will need all this image. We are going to animate each and every of this image one after the other, the same way we did the creation. And we're also going to be using Flow. So first thing you want to do is to come here. We're going to click on video. This time around, we're not doing frame because we don't want to use 2 images at the same time. So I'm going to click on gradient. Right, the frame is where you want to use 2 different images at the same time. That's a I will cover that in another tutorial. So we are going to be using view 3.1 light because we don't want it to consume too much unit. Too much credit. So I'm going to go ahead, and the first thing we want to do is to go and access our first animation, the scene 1 animation, which is this 8 seconds. So we're going to copy it. Now we're not going to copy the voice note alongside. We'll leave the voice note for the now. We're going to treat that one differently later. So we come here to the same Google Flow and you paste it here. Now we'll click on this plus sign. I'm going to show you all the image you're generating. We're looking for the first image. Right now, you just click on the first image. That's why I say you should download them, make sure they are downloaded. Now it's going to go ahead and animate the first image. As you can see there, what is loaded there is not the image, it is the video that is currently loading. Okay, it's currently in queue, so in a few seconds it's going to be generated. All right, so I'm going to make sure that this is a video. So once you hover over it with your mouse, you see that it's in moving. Okay, so go ahead and just download it. Use a 720dp to download. So we're going to also make sure that the thing has been downloaded because we're going to be needing all these videos. Okay, so I'm going to just ignore this voiceover. I did not add voiceover to it. I was supposed to add everything together, but I want to create the voiceover separate. So I will come here to scene 2 and copy the animation prompt, and also go back to my Flow, Google Flow. So I paste it here, click on the plus sign button. Now I'm going to look for the scene 2 image. So this is the scene 2 image that ChatGPT gave to us. So I click on it and then I go ahead and submit. So once you submit, it's going to go ahead and just create. Don't forget, once your video is done generating, you need to hover your mouse around it to ensure that your video has been generated. You can see the image is now moving. So go ahead and just download this 720dp. All right, so it has been downloaded, as you can see. So we'll move on to the next, which is the prompt, the third prompt. So scroll down. So go back to our flow. I'm going to paste the third prompt. All right, so I go to look for the third image. Now here, these things is you have to follow it. You have to make sure that you don't miss it up. Okay, you make sure that you don't mess up the image because the prompt is for each image. So if you interchange it, what is going to generate is not going to make any sense to you. So these are other errors that other people make. So I'm going to make sure that we download it. You can see 5.7 megabytes. I mean 9.7. That's a lot of. You mean that the video has quality. Now don't forget that our scene 4 we have to recreate it. So we're not going to be using our old scene 4. We're going to just make sure you scroll down and copy our scene 4, paste it here, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign button to look for the last image that we created, which is this scene 4. All right, this is the last image. I'm going to go ahead and just hit on submit. And then this is the scene 4, the same scene that Google Flow rejected. Okay, you can see that this time around it was accepted. It has been animated. So go ahead and download it. Download it to your PC, or if you are using your mobile phone, download it to your phone. So what we did that we didn't add voice notes. So this video, if you should play the video, we don't see any voice notes, and we are going to go to our 11 labs. So the 11 labs give you free unit access to create free voiceover daily. You have daily unit for voiceover. Okay, so it's very important. So now I'm going to go over to my scene 1. I'm going to go over and copy my voiceover of my scene 1. So I'm also make sure you don't miss it. All right, I can as well copy everything together, but since I'm creating each scene, this is for TikTok shots and for Facebook shots. So each scene stand on its own. So each 8 seconds, they are video. These are videos that easily go viral. All right. So these are to create it. So we're going to go back to our Google 11 labs. I'm looking for my 11 labs. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste it here. Okay, this I copied. I think I copied the wrong thing. So I have to copy that again and come back to my 11 lab. And so I'm going to go ahead and just delete this pattern, repaste it again. So, right. So I'm just trying to check the voiceover that I want to use. In case you don't want to use this, the voiceover that's currently there is a May voiceover. You can actually change the voiceover to what you want. All right, so I'm just going to, this is the voiceover I'm currently using that we have here. This is the voiceover I'm currently using. Now you can always, now from the beginning, you can change the voiceover. These are the settings I have on this account. This account I've already created it before. So you can see that we have hundreds of voiceover, if not thousands, that you can pick from. In case you want a female voiceover, you can do that. In case there's a particular voiceover that you need, you can go ahead. So in order for you to generate, you click on the generate. All right, it's going to go ahead and generate. So I'll go ahead and play it. Now you can't hear what it's saying because I'm going to using the mic. Okay. So at the end of the video, at the end of the tutorial, I'm going to play the full video so that you will see what we generated so far from this. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this. This is for the scene 2. So I'll just go ahead and hit on generate. I'm going to generate for us. Once it's done generating, go back and just download it. Now these are the things we're going to be using. Now make sure it's downloaded. Now copy the third scene for the voiceover. Come here and paste it here. We just wait for it to load, and then we're going to go ahead and download it. Now what is remaining now is just the last. I think we still have one, so we're going to scroll down to what we created. This is the last voiceover. Go to go ahead and copy. Now this voiceover, as you can see, it should not exceed 8 seconds. That's what we asked ChatGPT to create for us. And you can see the voiceover are very short. These are 8 seconds voiceover. Things that you can see within the next 8 seconds. That's what ChatGPT created for us. So I'm going to go ahead and download this last one. Right, so this is how you go about it. Now, if you have watched the video to this point, I want to believe that you enjoyed this video, and then you have hit the subscription button to subscribe, and be hoping to receive notification because I drop hack here almost every time. You can use any editing tool to merge the videos together, and then that's where that's how you create your AI wildlife video.
High above the desert, the golden eagle spots deadly prey. One mistake could mean death for hunter or hunted. In the silent swamp, danger hides beneath the water. Even America's eagle must battle carefully. Deep inside the Amazon, two giants collide. Raw strength meets crushing power in the jungle canopy. As the African sun begins to set, two remarkable predators cross paths. Neither moves first, as patience becomes the greatest weapon.